French fries got covered with gold. Nutella turned black. A pizza became as hard as chalk. There is definitely something wrong with this food. How can you make weird food? Watch and learn in our new video. I'm waiting for my friend at a cafe. At last, she turns up with a surprise for me. She gives me back the vest that she borrowed a long time ago. Jackie loves my clothes for sure, so much that she's even ready to eat the patches on it. Take real patches off a piece of clothing. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out white fondant. Put a patch onto it and cut it out. Replicate the picture with a modeling tool. Color it with food markers. Color yellow cheese, red sauce, and green spices. Paint the dough with food coloring. Make other patches from fondant the same way. Attach the patches to your piece of clothing when the paints are dry. Jackie crunches on a patch and it's so tempting. I try one too. Oh wow! I can't believe it's made from sweet fondant and not fabric. We eat patches one after another quickly. It was delicious. But I would like to know where my real patches are. Keep calm. My friend saved them. Here they are, safe and sound. Fruit tea is healthy and refreshing. Look at these berries swimming so peacefully in it. But Betty can't drink her tea peacefully. It's way too sour for her. It's time to add some sugar. It's great that Betty brought her friend along. Well, where is that sugar mouth of mine? Alfred, get out of here! Bend a red cardboard plate in half. Bend the edges back slightly. Cut out lips on top. Use edible glue to attach sugar cubes. Make them look like teeth. Shape pink fondant into a tongue. Use a modeling tool to make a line in the middle. Put the tongue into the mouth. This sweet smile terrifies my friend. Don't worry, it's just a sugar mouth named Alfred. It won't harm you. Alfred is ready to sacrifice all his teeth so that our tea will be sweet. And his tongue is made from real fondant. We can arrange a photo shoot, and we can also bite off a piece to go with our tea. And don't forget that eating too many sweets can lead to losing your teeth. Am I right, Alfred? Let's arrange a picnic outside. My friend Jackie is a real fashionista. Regular French fries are way too ordinary for her. Totally mainstream. But I take out my gold fries. And even the fashionista can't keep her hands to herself. Apply edible glue to French fries and cover it with gold food glitter. Put gold French fries back into the packaging. My glamorous French fries are a hot trend. It's not fast food, it's fashion food. Add some shine to old recipes. I don't care that my teeth are gold after eating these French fries. It's totally worth it because you need to live a glamorous life. Jackie is our free time manager. She brings not only a pizza, but also a coloring book. It's a lunch fit for a real artist. But why is she taking a piece of pizza and coloring a picture with it? Make a pizza triangle on parchment paper with hot glue. Melt yellow crayons in a microwave and pour them into the pizza triangle. Add details using melted crayons of a darker shade. Make a brown crust. Then add some orange sauce, red slices of salami, brown spices, and white dots on the salami. Take the wax pizza out of the mold when it hardens. Even out the edges with a knife. That's a weird pizza. It doesn't leave any oily stains, and you can draw with it like with crayons. But Jackie knows what she's doing. She's certainly not afraid that salami will fall on her picture. This slice is made from fresh and organic crayons. My friend can stick to eating her regular pizza while I color my picture. Betty waits for her friend at a cafe. Jackie comes, but she's in no hurry to order a cocktail. My friend drinks exclusively boys' tears today. Cover a phone with plastic wrap tightly. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out fondant into a thin layer. Cut a rectangle which is a bit wider than the phone. Wrap the edges and shape a phone case. Turn the phone over. Put a real phone case onto the fondant and cut out a camera hole. Trace a cardboard template of a bottle on one more piece of fondant. Cut it out and attach it to the case using water. Cut out a camera hole. Dampen the fondant with water and attach white fondant details to it, a cap and a label. Don't forget to make holes for the camera. Paint the bottles with food colorings. Define the details and contours. Write Boys' Tears on the label. Mix food glitter with edible glue. Decorate the bottle with cute hearts and dots. The cocktail, Boys' Tears, is made from all the unanswered texts, missed calls, and sad voicemail messages. I calmly bite off a piece of the phone case. So sweet! But my friend has one more piece. Here, snack on your ex's tears. The girls are eating burgers. Betty finishes her portion, but that wasn't enough to make her full. And her friend definitely doesn't want to share her patty. What else should I eat? This cactus on the table looks really cute. Let's taste it. Crumble dry bread in a blender. Put it into a small flower pot. Put fresh cucumbers into the pot. Make a hole with a toothpick and stick a flower into the cucumber. Betty bites off a piece of cactus, and then she starts chewing on the soil. It looks weird. Where does all this love of green spiky plants come from? She suggests that I start a plant-based diet after I finish my burger, because this cactus grew up from a cucumber. Not bad. Vegetables are healthy. My friend chews on bubble gum and pops big bubbles. The sound is so loud that I can't even hear the music in my headphones. Maybe she has some gum for me, but there isn't any in her pockets. Where does she hide it? Take the tips of a Hubba Bubba out of round containers. And hot glue the containers to a headband as though these are headphones. A new kind of sweet headphones. Chew and listen at the same time. Jackie can't figure out where my bubble gum comes from. Right from my headphones. The bubbles start annoying my friend. Relax, I will share. Take some out of my headphones and let me chew my bubble gum in peace. We are having waffles for lunch today, but Jackie is a sweet tooth, so she needs a sweet topping too. She brings a jar of Nutella along, but it's not regular. It has a rich black color. Add a few drops of black food coloring to a Nutella jar. Mix it and put some food glitter inside. Make a hole in a plastic lid using a hot glue gun. Hot glue a dispenser inside and close the lid. Color it with a marker and decorate with stars and sparkles. Jackie adds black Nutella to her dessert. What ingredient is in there? Squid ink? But Jackie is happy. But her waffle is sweeter for sure. And my friend doesn't want to taste my dark Nutella. Did you like our weird food ideas? Then write in the comments how you will prank your friends. Will you make a big sugar mouth or sneak them black Nutella? And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new edible ideas on Troom Troom.